Выше, правейше.
Ossechkin sources report Russia's FSB Spetsnaz, Defense Ministry operators, and Rosgvardia have blocked Prigozhin's Wagner PMC from any possible retreat out of Bakhmut, with snipers and artillery at the ready. Possible Kadyrov's Ahmat mercenaries will join to block Wagner. Wagner PMC apparently has about 3,000 fighters left in Bakhmut, most of whom are recruited prison inmates. Some professional Wagner mercenaries with close ties to the Defense Ministry were able to escape back to Russia in the past days. Apparently, Kadyrov is appealing to remaining Wagner mercenaries to come in under his command, which would leave Prigozhin completely exposed without protection. So Prigozhin is finished, it seems. We have already reported that Russians begun to evacuate 18 frontline settlements from the south, and now there are signs of Russians preparing to leave Melitopol. There are insane queues on the road from Melitopol to Crimea, Mayor of Melitopol Fedorov reports. He says that pass the military through the Chongar checkpoint out of turn, and everyone else has at least 5 hours of waiting. The passport office are closed. Equipment moved out. Torn passports are found. Russian military personnel is seen switching to civilian clothing. Discarded uniforms are found in dumpsters. Deadly surprises are left. Mines attached to trees, ready to cause harm. The last time Russians evacuated their population like this was in Kherson, just before the Ukrainian liberation of the city. We are seeing the same situation. So after Ukrainian strikes on oil, fuel, and ammunition depots, Russians decided to retreat before they are surrounded and humiliated on large scale. Ukrainian soldier from the 3rd Assault Brigade is using Swedish anti-tank grenade launcher Carl Gustav to stop the Russian assault near Bakhmut.
Не понял.
Хорошо.
Выше, правейше. Еще раз.
Нажато. Это подработали так?
Нет. Нет. Еще? Работаем.
Не знаю, что знаю.
The warehouses with gunpowder in the Russian Federation are burning. They caught fire as a result of a forest fire in the village of Pervomaiska in Sverdlovsk region. Now there is panic. The evacuation of local residents is being prepared. Russia is on fire. Something explosive is burning in Moscow next to Southwest Forest Park. In addition to kayaks, rubber dinghies, and fast patrol boats, the Ukrainians actually appear to be training with small landing craft, making a crossing of the Dnipro during the imminent offensive increasingly likely. And in Bakhmut, the 56th Separate Motorized Infantry Brigade made a funeral pyre from a Russian tank. Also in Bakhmut, this is the liquidation of the Wagner artillery and the Signum unit of the 93rd Separate Mechanized Brigade. Insightful interview with Ukraine's Minister of Defense Oleksiy Reznikov about the negotiations with Russia early March 2022 in Belarus. Approximately 3,000 Russians had died in just that first week of the invasion. Reznikov offered to return the bodies to Russia. Classic Soviet response.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.